My name is Scott Erlinson. I live in Williston, North Dakota. And last year, our house was flooded in the basement. We lost our entire basement to 1,000 square feet. We lost a bedroom that was down there. We were still unable to rebuild it, and we haven't financially been able to fix it up. And this year, we got a letter saying that our property value has increased $16,500, even though we lost half of our square footage in our home. I also work at a business called Electric and Magneto here in Williston. It's a family-owned business. My dad owns it. My grandpa started it in 1946, and they were just informed that their property value for the shop has increased by $126,000 in 1 year. It's a 55% increase in 1 year, and it's just a small business with 7 employees. If Measure 2 doesn't pass in June, we'll be forced to pay more taxes each month on our property, and we won't be able to afford to fix up our basement and get our 1,000 square feet